Want to see how I achieve this look? Stay tuned. Hey y'all, so we're back with another video today. You know what I'm saying, Got the crayon case in the house, you know what I'm saying? Box of crayons. You know, I've been waiting my whole life for this, and I finally got it. I know I'm late, but whatever. Y'all, I love these colors so much. They're so vibrant. They're so pretty. Oh my goodness. I was not sponsored to do this video, but guys, this is so vibrant and these glitters are so beautiful. Like super girl. Hey, how you doing, girl? Because you did your thing, sis. Okay, y'all. So let's move straight to this video. I'm using jojoba oil to oil and moisturize my face. I like this oil because it doesn't clog my pores or anything. And it gives me like a dewy look that I'm going for as far as moisture. As you can see, I'm just applying it all around my face, making sure that I get everywhere on my face. I've also already done my eyebrows, so there is no need for that. Now I'm applying my BB cream by Ruby Kisses, and I'm just going to blend, 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 blend. Blend, 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 blend. Okay, I'm just being annoying. But yeah, basically you guys get it. I'm just blending. So yeah, I'm just blending all around my eyebrows, all that, get all that concealer that may have been left over. And now I'm gonna go in with my Fenty by Rihanna. Y'all already know my girl, my sis coming through. Oh, I just love this contour. It's so creamy. It just melts in my skin, literally. I just love it. That ugly ass pimple is just throwing everything off, you know what I'm saying? But it's okay. It's all good, you know what I'm saying? It be like that during the time of the month. Okay, sis? I just love you, Rihanna. Your Fenty collection is everything. Let me just say that. This was my first time ever purchasing. I purchased the trio, which was the concealer, the contour, and highlight. And I love it. It's absolutely amazing. It blends perfectly. It makes my skin look so natural, creamy, and smooth. And I just love it. It's like my skin be popping every time I use it. Alright, y'all. So now we're going to contour the sides. Bada boom, bada bang. You know, nothing major, something slight. Okay, we're going to go in there. Make sure we got it at a good angle, too. Gonna add a little bit to the forehead. See, my forehead already black as hell, so I really don't even know. It really just made my forehead look lighter, if you ask me. But hey, I really don't normally put contour on my forehead. A lot of people do, but I'm not a big fan of it. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go in and blend, 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 blend. Blend, blend. Okay. Do 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 Okay, so now we're moving on to highlight, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you get them highlight areas good. Wherever you desire to highlight, sis, highlight it, please. Okay, understand me when I say that highlight is so important. Make sure that you blend your highlight really good, because don't nobody want no ashy face asshole in front of them, okay? And you just don't want to be that girl. You never want to be that girl. You never want to be that girl. Make sure you set the concealer after you place it. You know what I'm saying? Take your time. Place it correctly. You know what I'm saying? Focus on the way your skin is built. Everybody's face is different. So the way I apply may not be the way you apply. And I'm not an expert. So do I care that I might not be applying this shit right? Nope, I don't. So yeah, you know what I'm saying? I'm just going through blending my nose, you know. Did a little contour on my nose as well. Still gotta blend, 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 blend. I'm sorry, y'all. It's a habit. Okay, I'm gonna stop being so annoying. So let y'all watch the video, okay? Enjoy the tunes, y'all. I love this beat. It's amazing. Sleek contour kit. I love it. I love it. I love it. I go in after I contour with the black, and I just blend, 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 blend. Create more of like a structure with my nose with the contour kit as well. As you guys can see, I'm really big on like natural looks, natural face. I don't like dramatic anything. I don't like bold anything. So yeah, I'm about to just go in and blend these shits out of this, like literally. Hello. Anyways. So I'm moving on, sis. Highlight time, time for the time. Highlight time, time for the time. Okay? Highlight is the best part of the makeup tutorial. Period. 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 Now I know what you doing with the highlight. This highlight is called cinnamon. I just want to let y'all know. That's the only one I really know. Just off rip. Cinnamon. Okay? Go copy it. Go buy it. I love the way it look in the sun. I love the way it look in the light. It just looks very natural and it looks very, very, very highlighted. Okay? Okay? Okay. It just brings out everything, y'all. Y'all gotta get this if y'all ain't already got it. This is the best highlight I have ever used. No cap. Okay? Okay, so I'm preparing my eyelids with concealer. A lot of people use eye primer, but it's the same thing. Natural Wilderness by MAC as my base color before I actually start applying my colorful eyeshadow. I'm just gonna apply that all over my eyelid and blend it well. Make sure it's blended very well with that concealer. Focus on applying it upward underneath that eyebrow just so it won't give it like a cakey type of look. I want it all to be blended well. Okay, y'all, so right here I'm just going in with that dark color and I'm just creating of like a hood for my eyes and also like a shadow. So I'm just focusing on that outer layer, creating that kind of dramatic look for that blue. So when I blend that dark blue, it can be like a darker blue than the blue that's actually gonna be on my eyelids. Okay, I'm no expert, I'm no makeup artist. I know it's technique to this. I know it's a certain way you're supposed to do this, but this is the way Zaria does it, okay? And Zaria does it how she wants to do it. So if you don't like how Zaria does it, then you can just find somebody else's video to watch. Yeah, okay? Because I'm no expert, but I'm here to serve looks. You know what I'm saying? I served y'all this look, you know? I'm gonna do my thing. I'm gonna do it how I wanna do it. So, yeah, sis, say those comments. Okay, Zaria does it how she wants to do it. Okay, so yeah, it all works out. I'm going to focus on applying the concealer to my eyelids just so when I add that more lighter blue, it could pop more coming from my eyelids and it creates more of like a shadowy effect without me having to do anything else. So right now I'm just making sure I'm consistent on my eyelids. They're not really that clean as far as applying them and all that. So as you can see off camera, I went in with that blue and just started adding it on my crease and focusing on blending that crease out with that dark blue. Now I know it's really messy right now, but that's fine. It's gonna get cleaned up later. The goal is to just focus on the outer layer blending with that black so it create like a darker blue. That was my main goal, was just to create more of a shadowy type of effect for my outside layer, because I realized that my face looks really nice with dramatic like shadows. So yeah, just going in right here and adding that light blue just to bring those eyelids out a little bit more and make them pop, and make them stand out more. And I just love the way this blue is so pigmented. It's just so pretty. It's so royal. It just gives me royal vibes. The blue is true. You know what I'm saying? I love the color blue. So I'm very passionate about my blues. And I love this, y'all. It's so pigmented. And it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. I wish you guys could have seen it in person. Okay, now this is being recorded on my iPhone. So, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can't really experience the full glow. But, yeah, Super, you did your thing with this blue, girl. I'm trying to tell you. I'm going to call this this eyeshadow makeup tutorial Midnight Blue. Or, you know, Electric Blue. That's what we're going to call it. Midnight Electric Blue look, okay? Because this is the energy that I'm getting from this look, like a midnight electric type of look. Now, you would think I'm going to a club with this type of look. Because I'm going to go in and I'm going to add that yellow in between my tear ducts and underneath my eyelids a little bit, just to make that blue pop out more and make my eyes pop out more before I add my actual eyelashes. So as you can see, I'm just focusing on blending that, and I also added some gold in there as well. And I'm just going to take it above, and I'm going to focus on blending that blue out with my actual eyelids, under my eyebrows. Now it's time to apply those lashes. Lashes are on. I'm going to use some dark concealer just to add to my lips, just to give my lips more of a darker tint. And we're done. Adding that lip gloss, final touches, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, sis, we riding and we sliding and we out and we about, because guess what? It's just the beginning of the day. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please like, please subscribe, please comment if you have any questions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.